How long does it take suede shoes to dry after cleaning?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing a common question. How long does it take suede shoes to dry after cleaning? If you've ever owned a pair of suede shoes, you know how important it is to take care of them properly. Cleaning suede shoes can be a bit tricky, but ensuring they dry thoroughly is just as crucial. So, let's dive right in and find out the answer.
Factors affecting drying time.
Before we get into the specific time frame, let's consider a few factors that can influence the drying time of suede shoes. The time it takes for suede shoes to dry can vary based on several factors, including 1. Weather conditions. The humidity and temperature in your environment can significantly impact drying time. Generally, dry and warm weather conditions facilitate faster drying. 2. Cleaning method. The cleaning method you use can also affect drying time. Some cleaning techniques involve using water or other liquids, which may increase the drying time compared to dry cleaning methods. 3. Extent of moisture. The amount of moisture absorbed by the suede shoes during the cleaning process will determine how long it takes for them to dry. If the shoes are heavily saturated, it will take longer for them to dry completely.
Drying time range.
Now that we understand the factors involved, let's discuss the general range of time it takes for suede shoes to dry after cleaning. Please note that this is a rough estimate, and the actual drying time may vary based on the factors mentioned earlier. On average, suede shoes can take anywhere from 12 to 24 hours to dry completely. However, this time frame can be longer if the shoes are heavily soaked or if you live in a humid climate. In some cases, it may take up to 48 hours or more for the suede shoes to dry thoroughly.
Tips for proper drying.
To ensure your suede shoes dry properly and maintain their quality, here are a few tips to follow. 1. Air circulation. Place your suede shoes in a well-ventilated area to promote air circulation. This helps in drying them faster and prevents the growth of mold or mildew. 2. Avoid heat sources. While it may be tempting to speed up the drying process with heat sources like hairdryers or direct sunlight, it's best to avoid them. Excessive heat can damage the suede material and cause it to become stiff or discolored. 3. Use absorbent materials. You can stuff your shoes with newspaper or clean, dry cloths to absorb excess moisture. This helps to expedite the drying process by wicking away the moisture from the shoes. 4. Patience. Lastly, it's essential to exercise patience when drying suede shoes. Rushing the process can lead to subpar results or potential damage. Allow sufficient time for the shoes to air dry naturally. And there you have it. The drying time for suede shoes after cleaning typically ranges from 12 to 24 hours, with factors like weather conditions and moisture levels playing a role. Remember to provide adequate air circulation, avoid heat sources, use absorbent materials, and practice patience during the drying process. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, take care and keep those suede shoes looking fantastic.